Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing a review for Holographic and Fantasy Nail Powder from Imethod. Here is the product code in case you want it. I got this off of Amazon. And I'm going to be reviewing it for you today. I did do it on my thumbnail. I don't know if we can pick up the hollow there. I really am satisfied with this product. It's really nice. Off to the side I have my light. We are going to be curing this product. I have my fan brush. What else do I need? I need the product itself. It comes in that box, then in this little trusty baggie. There are 2 makeup applicators. And the product itself. Make sure when you open this, clear plastic side up. Don't be a dummy like me and open it the opposite way. So I'm going to put that off to the side. I'm going to be using some nail swatching sticks. And I'm going to do these as if it were real nails from base coat on up. I've already lightly buffed the nail. This is the base coat. And you apply thin layers. So that's what I'm going to do. And then you put this in your lamp for 30 seconds. And that's what I'm going to do with that one. That's going to be in the lamp for 30 seconds. Put the cap back on the base coat. I'm going to... They say not to shake the bottles of gel. That to do this, shake, to mix it back and forth in your hand. This is black. Black gel nail polish. So I just gotta wait for that to cure for 30 seconds, and then we are going to put the black on and cure that for 1 minute. The black seems to take longer to cure. I did lightly buff the nails with a sanding block. I did use the buffing part, and then I switched over to the shaper because it was a little bit more grittier than the buffer. The buffer is not. So, but I did lightly buff them just so that you know that like you do your natural nail. Lightly buff, take your alcohol prep pad, wipe off the dust, make sure you get all the oils, and don't touch the nail again with your bare fingers. You can transfer your oil and oils off of your skin onto the nail. This is done. We are taking the black powder. And you want to apply thin coats. Thin coats. So I'm going to start up here. And what would be the tip of your nail? And I think they want 2 coats according to the directions. But I'm putting this under the light for 30 seconds, and then I will do another 30 seconds just to make sure it is completely cured. I do like this product a lot. To use with gel nail polish, I did find out it does work with regular if you use nail glue, which I will be showing you that too if we have time. Apply 2 thin layers of gel polish and cure between layers. Black polish works best, but you could use any color. Apply thin layer of any non-wipe gel top coat and cure. Don't over-cure. Put a small amount of powder on the nail and buff with the eyeshadow applicator. Continue gently buffing until the mirror effect is achieved over the entire nail. Wipe excess powders with a dry brush or a clean finger. Apply a thin layer of gel top coat and cure. Make sure you seal the free edges to prevent from peeling. Good tips right there. We're going to apply another thin layer of black polish. Thin, 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 ladies. Don't overdo it. I'm going to cap the free edges on this nail. Put it, oops. Back under the light for another 30 seconds. These are what I am using. They are from the Born Pretty store off of the Wish app. You can use whatever brand you're comfortable with using. These are the Born Pretty. These are tiny. These are really tiny. Like, really little. So, you might want to get something bigger. It's up to you, I guess. That's what I have right now and what I'm using for base, top coat, and black polish. But this, excuse me, I need a drink. Excuse me, I need to get a drink of water. I do really like this product. It is, how much was this? I think $11, $12 off of Amazon. It is 1 gram. The container fills 2 grams of powder, but the jar will not be full when you receive it. Only need tiniest amount of powder per nail, so 1 gram of powder will last many manicures, it says. This is made in China, and it's a brand new product. I take it because it does say new on it. But I do really like this. I hope you check it out. If you go on my Instagram page, there is a 20% off code on there. I am nailedit67. In the description box, I will put the code. The link I don't think is clickable. It wasn't clickable on Instagram, but I'm still going to put the link down in the description box with the 20% off code so you can use it when ordering. Our nail is cured. I hope it's cured enough. I am going to cure it for another 30 seconds just to be sure it's cured. I'd rather be safe than sorry, because on the practice nail, let's see if I can find it. Nope, this isn't it. That was my practice nail for my pirate manicure. I don't know what I did with it. On my practice one, it didn't turn out so swell. It kind of peeled, the black kind of peeled off the fake nail swatch stick. So I'm thinking that it wasn't cured long enough, or that I did not put thin enough coats on. Could have been both. I'm new into this gel world. Please be patient with me as I learn, and as I hope to be teaching you something for the newbies. Excuse me. If you have any advice for me, please leave it down in the comments below. We are going to take our holographic powders now. Dip your brush in there. You don't need a lot. It's just like it says on here. You don't need a lot. Start buffing away. Do the sides of the nail as well as the top. Let me see if I can do this so you can see me. Just lightly buff it back and forth. Get the sides of your nail. Get the tip of your nail. Buff it to get the desired mirror effect look that you want. In this holographic looking, I can see all the colors of the rainbow. I hope that you can too. Let me see. I don't know if on camera if this is picking this up or not, but it is really beautiful. It is holographic. You see all the colors of the rainbow with the visual eye. It's dark outside, so I can't show you right now. It is 5:30 a.m. here in Michigan. I'm going to apply just a little bit more to get this off the brush. I think this is really cool stuff. I highly recommend this. I'm going to get my fan brush to lightly brush off the excess off the nail if there is any. I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not. You'll have to let me know down in the comments. I am going to put the top coat on now and cure it for another 30. Remember, thin coats, ladies. Cap the free edges of your nail. Put your lids back on. Underneath the light now it looks pink. Hope you're staying with me for this kind of long video. We're 11.5 minutes in right now. And I hope you're staying with the duration just so that we can thoroughly test out this product. I'm going to give it a 2 thumbs up because I have already checked it out on my nail last night before I did it on swatch sticks so that I knew what I would be talking about. And I do really like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. I've never messed with powders before, holographics, or any other kind of that matter. So I'm pleasantly surprised and I really like this. I really do. Here's my put my product away. I really like this. I do give it 2 thumbs up. I do recommend it if you're into gel nail polish. Check out my Instagram for the 20% off code. And here we are with our finished product. I hope you can see that. I'm going to take a little potty break and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. Now, I'm going to take foil glue and show you how you can do this over a regular polish. Take your product back out. I shouldn't have put this away, but I did. I'm going to tap the lid down so this stuff doesn't go flying when I reopen it. And it don't want to open. Oh, there we go. I got it. I got it. With your foil glue, I'm just going to put this on a bare fake swatch stick. No black polish. Brush as much of the glue as you can off the nail. You just need a thin layer. And it turns white when it dries, but I know I'm putting this on a white swatch stick. So I'm going to lightly wave it in the wind so it becomes dry and tacky. Because that's what you need, is a tacky surface. You could probably do this with a regular top coat, not a fast drying top coat. That'll dry too quickly and it's too thick. You need a thin top coat, like you could use the one from Broadway. I think that's a water-based one. I'm not really sure right now. I can't see the ingredients. But you could try this. I wouldn't suggest anything that's fast drying though. Okay. I do believe this is dry and I got the wrong buffer out. No need to dirty up 2 of them. So we're just going to lightly go in with this. And it covers the whole nail. Just take it and rub it all over. Rub it all over the whole entire nail to get the desired look that you want. It is really cool to be using this product. Hope you like it. This is kind of a long video, 15.5 minutes in, so I think I'm going to cut this short now. No, I'm not. Sorry about that. I'm putting a fast drying top coat over this one to seal it. This is the Sally Hansen's fast drying top coat. The bottom one here is the gel. Top one here is with the nail glue. I don't know if you can see the hollow. I should have had the top one prepped with regular black polish. I'm sorry for that. That's my bad. Hope you had yourself something of beverage so you were kicked back and relaxed watching my little review here. Remember, we do this product, give it a 2 thumbs up. We like it a lot. I do recommend it. There's a 20% off code on my Instagram, nailedit67, and I will leave the information in the drop box below. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell for all future videos. I guess my channel is now venturing into the gel nail polish world, and I would really appreciate your support. If you know anybody who's into gel nail polish, please spread the word. If you know somebody who is into the powders, the hollow powders, please spread the word. Please click subscribe. My channel will always be free no matter the size. Always, always free content. Have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.